It's fall, the leaves are falling, the snow is looming, and it's time to clean out your rain gutters. Wear proper gloves and shoes while you work so you're safe and comfortable while doing this often dirty job. Put a tarp down below the eaves to protect your landscaping and make for easy cleanup. When the time comes, ensure you have a sturdy ladder and you know how to use it safely. If you aren't comfortable on a ladder, enlist the help of a friend, a family member, or a business that is. Rain gutters, or eaves troughs on your house, are designed to take the runoff from your roof to the downspouts so the water can be directed away from your house. Once you've got the worst of the debris out of your gutter, rinse them out with your garden hose. This will help clear out the last bits in the gutter, flush out your downspouts, and reveal any leaks or issues you might have with the trough so you can get it repaired before the snow flies. If your troughs become clogged with sticks or leaves, the gutters can't drain efficiently, which can cause water to creep under your shingles and even all the way down to your foundation. In the winter, clogged gutters can contribute to ice damming, and in spring it will slow drainage when the snow melts. For more home maintenance and insurance tips, follow SGI Canada on Facebook or visit us online at sgicanada.ca.